What is good, YouTube? We're back again to make some pancakes. So what do you need? You need a banana, but I'm gonna use half a banana because of my macros and my calories and shit. So, put chopsticks away. We're gonna use a banana. So, okay, for this recipe you need 1 whole banana and 2 eggs. But you can adjust it to weight the shit that you want. That's all you need. You don't need any flour, you need any of that. All you need is 1 banana. I'm using half of the banana, and I'm using 3 eggs to adjust to my body. So now, we got the banana and the 3 eggs together. So now you want to stir and mix everything, all right, with your fork. So, let's do it. So, it's going to look like this. You can see like there's some thick parts in there, which is good. I actually like that. So now we're gonna go to the pan. So first we get the spray. I'm gonna turn this shit on. Alright. You're gonna spray it. I'm gonna let that heat up. Alright. So now we're gonna dump this. One big ass pancake. And then you can flip it onto that side. Oh yeah, that's what I should do. So, I'm not a really good cook, and I kind of left it a little dark, but you know, it still tastes like a banana either way. And it's a lot thick. I mean, it's a lot squishy. I like it like that. So, we're gonna put it on the plate and we're gonna start with the next batch. You can make mini ones, you can make thicker ones. I just accidentally made a bigger one, so I mean they're all taste the same. This is a great meal for broke college kids. So if you want breakfast and you're like, oh shit, I want some pancakes. You could just make this, just get 98 cents bananas and $1 eggs, a carton of eggs, and there you go. You can make pancakes every day. Yep, that was good. So, we're gonna put this onto the pan. Yes, sir. Then the next one. Yep. And last batch. I just wanted a lot of bananas. That's how I like it. Oh yeah, put that banana back in there. Now it's gonna cook up. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. Look at that pancake. It's a nice pancake. I cut it. So I tried flipping this. Try flipping it. It don't work out as well, but I guess we're having scrambled pancakes. And I forgot to add, you can add cinnamon if you want to make it taste better. So, and we're done. Put it in there. Yes, sir. Okay, so we put sugar-free chocolate syrup on top. And we're about to try this baby. Ooh. Got the chopsticks. Ooh, look at that. First bite. Oh yeah, that's good. That is real good. You get that banana cinnamon flavor. Oh yeah. So you know, it's your boy, your family neighborhood Nova, aka Mihai, signing out.
You'll never guess who he wants to be. Spider-Man. Well, he knows a hero when he sees one. Too few characters out there flying around like that, saving old girls like me. And Lord knows, kids like Henry need a hero. Courageous, self-sacrificing people, setting examples for all of us. Everybody loves a hero. People line up for them, cheer them, scream their names, and years later they'll tell how they stood in the rain for hours just to get a glimpse of the one who taught him to hold on a second longer. I believe there's a hero in all of us that keeps us honest, gives us strength, makes us noble, and finally allows us to die with pride, even though sometimes we have to be steady and give up the thing we want the most, even our dreams. Spider-Man did that for Henry, and he wonders where he's gone. He needs him.
For real? We can't
Oh
live
well.
without them. I knew I
Whatever
should've fucked her.
happens,
I'm over you,
happens.